This has to stop. It is our Achilles heel in Cleveland. We have so much going for us, and if we don't resolve this, we're not going to get anywhere.
That is Akram Boutros, the outgoing CEO of MetroHealth, talking about gun violence in Cleveland. Our Lydia Esparra has the exclusive interview with Dr. Boutros about his plan to help bring peace to this city and beyond.
As a Level 1 trauma center, MetroHealth system sees all kinds of emergencies, from car accidents to industrial injuries. But one type of violence is reaching extreme proportions.
Gun violence is mostly not accidental. So we see a lot of that.
Akram Boutros is the CEO of MetroHealth. In his 10 years here, he says gun violence is out of control.
I've looked into the eyes of a mom who lost a 7-year-old child. That pain that I saw in her eye will never go away.
And he says it's becoming a crisis.
The number of gunshots, the number of people killed, is itself a horrific statistic.
And those stats change neighborhoods, families, and adds toxic stress and changes everyday survival. For the first 6 months of this year, there have been 327 shootings in the city of Cleveland. The majority of victims are African American. If you break it down, women make up 20% of the victims, and most shooting victims are from the age of 18 to 24. Boutros says when he retires in 4 months, he wants to open up a national center to reduce that gun violence.
I'm not looking to do policy. What I'm looking to do is to find programs that have an absolute effect in the reduction of the number of people who buy a gun, pick up a gun, use a gun, and settle their arguments with a gun.
He can't do it alone. He's looking for help from major companies and other institutions, and most certainly from the city of Cleveland.
We're going to work closely with him as counsel, but I want all of the hospitals to really take his lead.
And before Boutros leaves MetroHealth, he wants to have a plan in place. The former New Yorker is committed to Cleveland and change. Change the gun violence, he says, before it's too late.
This has to stop. It is our Achilles heel in Cleveland. We have so much going for us, and if we don't resolve this, we're not going to get anywhere.
Now, Boutros is looking to raise $50 million for the center. He says he does not want to be the CEO for the center. He doesn't even want to be on the board. Russ, he simply wants to bring awareness to all this gun violence here in Cleveland. It's just tremendous, and it's even worse across the country. Russ?
And as you said, Dr. Boutros retiring from Metro at the end of the year, but he is clearly not finished yet here in town. He's staying here. All right.
That's for sure.
Lydia Esparra at Metro. Thank you.